Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this card making tutorial. This is the lovely little card we're making today. I wanted to show you how easy it is to make a simple card using scraps and the Mix and Match Ephemera Packs. And this one just says, wishing you were here. I think it's just so cute. So this card base here is Misty Moonlight. We're going to do a slightly different colourway. This time we're going to do Lost Lagoon. And the paper is still the same as the Everyday Essentials Designer Series paper. So I've got two pieces of basic white, one for the inside and one for the outside. And all the measurements will be on the blog post. And you can find the link to that in the description box below. Okay, and I've got three pieces here of scraps of paper, and they measure roughly sort of 6 centimeters by 10. And I'm just going to arrange these, deciding which I want where, how I want these to go. So I'm just going to put a bit of glue on the back. I'm not going to overthink this. You can see this is the same paper. I'm using this front and the back. Okay, I'm going to look for some ephemera to use. So I'm going to start off with this one. This is Under the Sun. And let's see what maybe focal image you want to use this time. I used the little combi already. Oh. I like that. So that could be that. Maybe we can use that one. Might not use all these pieces, but no harm taking them out, just in case. We just don't use it, we just put it back in the pack. Okay, let's have a look and see. I think I wanted this because I wanted to have some sort of little ledge for my cycle. Yeah. What's that drop on the floor? No, I don't think we need a circle. I think that'll be fine. Let's look for a little sentiment maybe. Let's see if this will work. Right, we have a few pieces here, so let's start to arrange our bits. I think that will work. So I'll stick this down, and before I stick it down, actually before I do that, I'm going to look to see if I have any ink. And I do. Here we go. Some Lost Lagoon ink, and what I'm going to do, just to help it pop, is just run the edge through the ink pad like that. And that just helps to give it a little border and help it pop from the background. So I put that roughly about there, and then I'm going to have this on the top. Okay, so that was a good sentiment, so we can pack this one away. Oh, and I just keep them in these little zipper pockets. So, I'm not sticking. I have stuck down, but I haven't. I think I'm going to put this one. I love that these are stickers. You could pop things up if you want. I'm being a bit lazy today. Let's see. Okay. As much as I like those flowers, I'm going to cover them up. Now, I love cycling. I watch a lot of cycling. Just love it. My favourite sport. I'm actually going to put this one up. I'll put it over the handlebars there. And let's get rid of these backings so they don't distract me. And then I think this can go on the inside for just something. Actually, I'm going to put that there, just decided. And then last but not least, I'm going to use this, but I'm going to cut it in half, I think. Don't be afraid to do that with your embellishments. It's not going to harm them. Make them work for you the way you want them to be. and save that for another project. Okay, so there are 2 cards using the Mix and Match Ephemera Packs and the Everyday Essentials Designer Series paper. I hope you've enjoyed the project. If you have, I'd be grateful if you could give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want any more information about the project, the supply list, the measurements, it's all on the blog post, and you'll find the links to that in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.